Hello again, Slushers. If you're an entrepreneur or looking to invest in startups, this one's for you. I'm Villu, co-founder at Funderbeam, the world's startup marketplace powered by the blockchain. This year, $100 billion will be invested in startups worldwide. How many of those investments can be freely bought, sold, traded online? None that I know of. There is no liquidity. Startup investments don't flow like water. It doesn't work like NASDAQ. Most deals take weeks or months to set up, and when they're done, most people sit on their investments for years, waiting for that magical exit, freezing their assets off. Because they have no other options, no on-demand liquidity. Is that really the best we can do as a species? No, this is what we can do. We can create a true startup marketplace where we bring together company research, syndicated investing, and liquidity through online trading. So you can get access to more deals, spread your risks, and exit when you need to. So let's see how it works. Every marketplace needs a data component. Well, luckily, Funderbeam has a data intelligence platform live since spring. We have thousands of users. We have analytics on 20,000 investors, 150,000 startups worldwide. Quality, not quantity. We've cleaned up source data, filled in some serious gaps with our algorithms and models, mapped competitors, and so on. Step 2, syndicated investing. First, a lead investor puts together a syndicate to invest in a startup. Other investors can join as backers. The syndicate invests in a startup, keeps the equity it receives. No investor holds direct startup equity, and this is key. What they do have is digital tokens that prove their claim on the syndicate. What are these digital tokens? In industry, they're known as colored coins, or tiny slivers of colored coins. They're pretty worthless on their own, but they do contain proof that the token holder has a claim on the syndicate. Yes. One more thing. The colored coins, the tokens, can be bought and sold. Every transaction, every token ownership is recorded on the blockchain, the modern marvel in cryptography and computer science. Number 3, and this is key, trading. All of these tokens, digital tokens, can be traded within a syndicate, across syndicates, or on the open market. So we have on-demand liquidity. We have no need for third-party validation. Thanks to the blockchain, all token transactions and ownership are secure, transparent, quick, and cheap. And 3, we have regulatory compliance built right in. We have a great relationship with the Estonian FSA. Our current setup falls under unregulated exceptions in the European Union, which is a great place to start from before we move to the more regulated syndicate structures in the future. How do we make money? Fees. Syndicate setup success fees, transaction fees on trading, and syndicate exits. So here is a quick preview of what things will look like for an investor on their dashboard a couple of months from now, because that's when we'll have the marketplace in beta for you. In fact, today, right now, as I speak, we're running our first marketplace live test among our current investors and employees. We're raising real money for Funderbeam on Funderbeam. Do we know what we're doing? Yeah, kind of. On most days, at least. I hope today is one of those days. We have the former head of the Estonian stock exchange, the Nasdaq OMX stock exchange. We have a former regulator. We have a guy that's advised 6 IPOs, and that's just 3 people out of 13. This team has raised $2 million in the past 2 years, mostly from Estonian and UK investors, including Jan Tallinn, who is a Skype co-founder. And weirdly, no Finnish investors so far. So maybe that'll change, because we're looking to raise an A round in the spring. Thank you.